You're my cutie.
Let's see what's in here.
Let's see what's in here.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Air compressors.
It does kind of look like an air compressor, doesn't it?
Like blueberry, madam blueberry.
Hello all and welcome back. This is a quick proof of concept video where I am using this 12 volt powered Class D amplifier to see if I can run a mobile speaker system and maybe run it off a car battery eventually. I got this amplifier for around 20 bucks on Amazon, and we are going to see if it can power these 15-inch passive PV speakers that were probably made in the 70s, and they sound great. So I'm going to try to power them. I've got some adapters that I made with an old amplifier input and some speaker wire. And I'm going to take that adapter and just put it into the inputs on the back of the Class D amp along with a 1/4-inch speaker cable. And plugging it into the back of my speaker. It's really impressive the amount of air that these speakers can move off of this tiny amplifier that's powered up at just 12 volts. Stay tuned for a future build where I get this all battery powered and make a mobile speaker station. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.